Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. As you can see here, this is Huawei P Smart Z STK-LX1. The screen is broken, so we're going to replace it. First, I'm going to show you which tools you need. As you can see, tweezer, Phillips screwdriver, flat tools, then plastic card and the double-sided tape. And in case if you need any adhesive, is here, B7000. And that is the actual replacement. I got it from eBay for like £25. That's the actual one. There are two kinds of screen you can get it from online. First of all, you can get only the screen itself, but that's the one comes with the actual frame. Okay, so I'm going to tell you what's the advantage of the actual screen with the frame when it comes together. You know when the phone get dropped, the actual edge get affected. Lot of shuttered on the side. Example, this one, as you can see, it's not flat. Okay, so when you try to put the new screen on the itself, the finishing is not going to come like actual like factory one. Okay, there are a lot of dent, so when you're going to push the new screen, it might break. Okay, so that's the reason why I choose with the mid frame, and you don't need to apply any messy adhesive all over the edge because of the screen itself, right? So now let's start. First, we're gonna take out the back cover, remove every single component and put it here, include the power flex, the camera and everything. Okay, so we're gonna start now. I got always hair dryer to apply some heat. Okay, so first thing, take out your SIM card tray with the SIM card and keep it on the side. And now I'm going to apply some heat in there to the back cover. And this is hot enough. And now we're going to find the gap in between the back cover and the mid frame. See, it's very thin one. This one is very thin. Put it in here, go all the way to the end. In this side, don't go too far because of the fingerprint flex that is on the sideway. Now, with the Phillips screwdriver, we'll remove everything step by step. So first thing is that block, which is secured with many screws, and all of them same inside, so I'm not worried about organizing it. See? So that's the simple plastic plate. Disconnect the fingerprint flex, put it on the side. Now this is a bit tricky because the front facing camera is in here, so we must need to do it properly because this is very sensitive. Okay, so disconnect the battery, charging, screen, power flex, everything that you can see, the camera, because everything will come in here. Switch in here, take out this one, two, one. Good. Now all those screws. See? Focus into the battery. Both sides. this off because we don't need this stuff. Alright, so now very carefully we're gonna open this part. There are a lot of screws and I believe all of them same inside, so don't worry, but if you organize this better for you, you know. Good, that's the one. And now this is the speaker one. Okay, disconnect the secondary cable and take out the bottom part. Is that one? I'm pretty sure they use kind of glue underneath, so you need to be very careful, you know. So that's the charging things, and this is the vibrator. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Now we're going to look into the new screen and check what is missing in there and what is not. Whatever missing we can collect from the old one and switch it to the new one. Okay. I don't see there is anything to come out from the old to the new one. Okay, so it goes straight away here. Good. Switch a bit. Good. Fine. Secondary cable. Good. Can you see there is a line? Okay, make sure you follow this guideline. Okay, see? Good. Now, carefully we need to remove this power flex, which is right here. Yeah, you can see. So simple. Whenever you put it back, make sure you push the power switch and stuff. Let's put it back. Yeah. So make sure it does click. If you can hear it, click noise. So that's mean the switch are into the place. Switch into the place. Let's put the shield in here, plastic shield. So in that way it doesn't pop up from inside, you know. Now we need to remove few certain screws here. First is first, this one, these two. Alright, that's fine. Four, yeah. Now just gently take out this shield, leave it in here. So now disconnect it just to pull out the motherboard. Start from this side. Okay, that's the actual board. Leave it here. Now we need to take out this one, earpiece, which is that one. That's fine, that's fine. Good. And now we're going to take out those screws. Okay. All right. Alright, so now I believe under this pad there is a screw. I'm going to open up and check here. There should be a screw. Yep. Imagine it's hidden up here. Can you see that? Okay, now this is free to come out. You can see here. Right. Alright, so this bracket comes here. That's the first thing. Good. Second one is that one. A sticker with one screw, which is there. Fine. Now the actual camera. Good. Before you forget, put this back into the place. It goes in here. Check. Yeah, this is free anyway. It's good. Now put this back in here. There. Actual motherboard. Good. Alright, so now everything is back to normal. Connect this flex, charging one, then obviously this LCD one. I always like to connect it first. Can you see how I do? Good. Camera panel back to the camera. Good. We've done the job for this part, so make sure you put it back, and before you do, you can give it a clean. In that way the sound quality would improve. It's done. Now we're going to place the battery. Bubbles. As you can see, now it's flat. Goes back in here. You are nearly done to the end point. We're going to give it a clean before you put it back on. I always prefer double-sided tape. In that way it's very easy job. I don't want to add any messy adhesive. fine. Now we're gonna put it back gently, and the actual job would be done. Emergency. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 *#0. Seems everything is working back to normal. Back. So it's the actual screen with the mid frame for Huawei P Smart Z. If you do have any question, make sure you leave it in the comment section. I'm always happy to make answers, and please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.